Good morning. Let's make today's lunch box. I'm making roasted Makanna for today's snacks box. First, add in Makanna in a dry pan along with 1 tablespoon of salt and roast for 5 to 6 minutes till the Makanna gets nice and crispy. Now put it in a colander and shake the excess salt. Now in the same kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of ghee along with little chili powder. If you want, you could add turmeric powder and cumin powder. Add in the roasted makkana and a pinch of salt. Mix really well and your spiced masala makkana is ready. This is what I made for my kids' snacks box, and for her lunch box I made a simple curd rice and lady's finger. I didn't shoot a video of it, but the lady's finger fry I already have a reel, so please check it. Now let's pack the lunch box. I added everything into the lunch box and snacks box, cover it and pack it up. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.